Oh my. The snow just keeps coming in the Northeast. And Liz has the day off work.
Snow day!
Should we make a vlog?
Let's make some hot cocoa.
Should we make a what I ate in a day video?
Sure.
For breakfast, I usually do granola or a smoothie. We don't have any granola. I've been doing this for a while, so I don't really measure ingredients anymore. I just kind of eyeball it. It usually works out. I tend to make more than I need. Having leftover smoothie and a Tupperware in the fridge is always a good thing. Whoops, that's way too much milk. La-di-da-di-da. Yeah, buddy. Wanna try?
No, thank you.
Not even a sip?
Yeah, stuff on your face.
Liz has stopped eating breakfast recently. Honey, tell us about when you stopped and why you stopped and how it's going so far.
I don't know when.
About a few weeks ago, right?
Yeah. I stopped just to try out the method of eating called intermittent fasting. Where you eat your meals within a smaller window of time during the day, so your body has time to digest and burn some fat. In the off times. You go.
Over here?
Other side.
Do you still have the same amount of energy?
Yeah.
Any more energy?
No. That'll do, pig. That'll do.
There's a nice message on our neighborhood message board. Hey everyone, I'm looking for someone with pet chickens who might have an abundance of eggs leading up to March 30th. I would like to have eggs at my Passover Seder, but I would only be able to use eggs from the happiest of bird families. I would rather go without eggs than buy from farms that cull male chicks or do any of the unspeakable things to their birds that happen at both small and large-scale hatcheries. Well, that's sweet. Should we tell them that even backyard hens probably come from hatcheries where they cull the males?
I feel like they're taking a step to trying to do something to not buy factory farmed chicken.
Yeah, it's great.
Eggs, so calling them out.
Well, I didn't want to call them out, but they specifically said that they didn't want eggs from a hatchery that culled the males. So it might be helpful to point out that, as far as I know, any eggs come from hatcheries where they cull the males.
Well, no, I mean, what they're saying is they're trying to find somebody who has chickens.
Right, but the chickens came from hatcheries.
Yeah, but they may be second generation that aren't.
Right.
So calling them out for it isn't going to do you any good. You should encourage them and say kudos for making this effort.
Yeah. Is it lunchtime?
For me?
What are you making?
Well, I ate some smoothie. And now I'm heating up potato, and I'm eating this last deli slice that you left in the fridge that looks so sad. So I figured I would put it out of its misery.
This is real life with Duncan and Liz.
Wrong farm.
I think I'm gonna make a salad. First, we gotta take the kale off the stem, chop it up. Smells like chlorophyll in here. Give it a little massage. Add a can of chickpeas. Get some protein in there. Some carrot. This thing doesn't work so good. Alright, gold. Kalamata olives. You know, Liz didn't like olives when we first started dating. Walnut bits. I'm gonna make these a little smaller. And voila. Gonna keep the dressing simple. Just a little bit of olive oil. A little bit of balsamic. The rest of the balsamic. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Mix that up. Go ahead and use the rest of our carrot. Pretty good.
You and your olives. You always love your olives.
You bought them.
Pretty good.
All we're talking about is you just want to get the crap out from between your teeth. Okay. So what you do, just turn it on. Yeah.
This was very tasty. I'm satisfied. So we're going to cover this up and save the rest of it for another meal. And this will give some time for the flavors to marinate, so it'll taste even better next time. Today I'm working on a channel trailer for our channel. We've never made one before, but this year we're going to do a proper season of the show, so I thought we should kick it off with an introduction to us and what we're all about. So now I'm just going through some old episodes and pulling clips. This is our first episode right here. Hey, do you want to take a break and go outside?
Sure.
I'm going out.
Okay, where you going?
I'm just gonna go for a walk.
Alright.
I feel like you need some space.
Okay.
See ya.
Yeah.
Maybe she's upset that I haven't made cocoa yet.
Hi.
Saved you some cookie.
Thanks. How is it outside?
It's lovely.
Oh, so lovely. Okay.
You're welcome. Do you want me to not release this video?
I say let's see. I just would prefer it if you asked me before you decide to do something.
So that's what you're mad about.
I mean, how is it not what I'm mad about?
Well, you never said that.
I never said what.
That you would prefer if I asked you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize. I needed to make that clear that you should talk to me before you decide to film something, you know.
I'm sorry for filming without asking.
It's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, why?
You seem to have gotten into a much better mood suddenly.
Yeah.
Just decided to be in a better mood after your walk?
No, I usually just feel better after telling you how I feel and what's made me upset.
Oh, I see.
And then your reaction was quite entertaining.
Uh-huh. That was just a taste of your own medicine.
Oh, it was very funny.
Uh-huh.
I cried laughing.
Good, that's what I wanted to happen. Alright.
Cool.
Looking forward to some soup. What all goes in this soup?
Well, it's pretty simple. You just do some onions and celery, but I'm not doing celery, so I'm doing extra carrots and I'm doing some green onions because I don't really like celery. That's right, I'm coming for you celery lovers. Garlic, some bay leaves, some thyme, some vegetable stock, some split peas, some liquid smoke.
Split peas have gone in. Oh, there's that cute little song.
Et voila! Ta-da!
Look at that. That smells real good.
Mm-hmm.
It's the liquid smoke, man. It makes it smell like bacon.
It does. Instant.
That recipe is a winner.
I know, it's so easy.
Now it's time to do what we should have done a long time ago, and that is make some hot chocolate. We don't have cocoa, we have cacao, which is basically the unprocessed version of cocoa. This is pure chocolate. 4 tablespoons cacao, and then you match that with sweetener. So I'm gonna try agave. Let's go for 3. We got our cacao, we got our sweetener, now we need our milk. We got rice milk, and I'm gonna put in half a cup. Zip. And we're gonna heat this up. I'm actually gonna add a teensy bit of cinnamon in there and a little bit of salt. Now that this is nice and melty, we're going to add the rest of the milk, which is mostly rice milk, but also a little bit full fat coconut milk.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like Willy Wonka's chocolate river. Oops. It's ready.
How does it taste?
Well, that's for you to decide.
Which one's mine? Oh, that's delish.
Right?
Good job, babe.
Thanks.
Thanks, hon.
You're welcome.
This is the best end to a snow day ever.